me show you based on the Freightliner. This is a Freightliner Cascadia. This is a day cab, a smaller cab, but if you have a, a sleeper, it will work too. It doesn't matter. But a small life hack which will save you tons of money and the time. And look what I got. Again, hello. This video is a life hack, how to save ton of money and your time. If you have a Freightliner Cascadia, it doesn't matter if it's automatic or a stick shift manual. If it's automatic, it's even better. If it's manual, it will work too. So how to save a lot of money and time if you somehow forget your keys in ignition and you lock the door. The only one thing you need is the star bit, this size, which will be T40, and that's it. You don't need to call the locksmith, you don't need to break the window. Look what you have to do. You open your hoop, it doesn't matter what engine you have. And here we have a secret door. This truck is already opened, so it just made it easy for you. If you see that clutch door, let me show you that assembly. You just unscrew 4 screws like that, and the whole assembly, the pedal assembly, will come out. Okay, remember, you have a pedal switch. It's only on manual, the pedal switch, which is go to the pedal sensor, the clutch pedal sensor. And if you check my other videos, that's about the engine brake and cruise control. So remember to disconnect it. How you disconnect it? It has a lock right there. It has a small red lock. You need to first take the lock out, and then you push the sensor clip and it come out. So the pedal will come out like that. Easy peasy. Just turn. So the whole assembly is out. When the whole assembly is out, that's the lock I was talking about. You put the lock back down with a screwdriver, and only then you can unclip that connector. So if you see on the video, the ignition lock is right there. You barely can see from here, but let me show you. Okay, we go inside. Camera don't want to copyright with me. Okay, so if I go inside right there, you already see ignition lock right there. Those wires are ignition lock. So easy with your hand, you go down inside and you are safe. You got your keys and you're good to go.